Hi, in this video we are going to add a header value as well as query parameter value at a dynamic time. So basically we have required to header value and query parameter value dynamically add. So let's see how we can add in a API integration. We have one API, OV API, and here add header option available. I click on add header and here add one key authorization and here open and close bracket and I add token. Now, each token should be variables. I add one variables. I click on variable tab, add one token variable. Type should be string and default is test. If we not required, then we cannot add here. And this is a dynamically we can access the value of variables. So it should be passed from the anywhere from the application. I think it is text field value, I think it is token value, either it is any constant value. Now it is successfully added. Here also we can add the query parameter. Query parameter should be here from variable. If we select from variable, then we can add here one variable. So currently we no need to add. And now and I want to suppose in some API have get API, then we here pass one ID. So open and close inside the open and close bracket we add one ID and ID is a consider is a variable. I click on variables and add one variable here ID and type should be integer and default value here 1. So here what happen here ID movie slash ID. So if we data found, then it should be give result 1 JSON array. Currently I saved here and I going to test responses. So I click